I know sometimes I laugh a lot. I know sometimes I'm just laid back.
What's up, Craft House family? I got another Craft House project for you. Today I'm going to be making these shark design toddler sneaker shoes, kind of like some casual shoes for toddlers. As you can see, I kind of got them started already. This one is a size 6. I want to show you guys, before I get started, I always do my white base coating all around the shoe. And on here, I started the drawing of the cartoon character. I still want you guys to comment below to see what you think. I don't know, it looks kind of scary, but I think I did a pretty good job. So this is my second attempt at drawing the cartoon shark. I have a lot of respect for you artists out there who have the patience of drawing and painting, especially small characters like this. But let's see how this comes out. After I finished drawing the character, I did all of my fill-ins where the white paint was needed. I'm not doing a white base for this character. I just decided to paint the white areas white where they needed to be white. And so I'm going to go back and color in the other parts of the character. So I stopped here to change up my brush. I needed something a little bit skinnier to get inside the details of the head. And yellow is my color choice for the shark character. Let me see how this comes out. I may have to go a couple of coats with this one. It's a light color yellow. I did go over the shark twice before I start adding the color to the sides of the shoe. So on this side, I think I'm gonna go ahead and add some yellow here and try to make it blend onto the other side. So I did the yellow color on the outside of both shoes, and here I'm adding an orange color, and like I said before, I'm gonna blend this color into the yellow from the other side of the shoe. Right here is where I decided to blend the orange and the yellow together. I wanted the colors to mix in the back of the shoe. The color I decided to use for the front of the shoe is supposed to be a metallic red color, but it came out like a hot pink. It's pretty nice though. I'm just going back doing some touch-ups before the last steps, which is to add my sealant. I'm going to add sealant to the character first, and then for the rest of the shoe. But I'm not going to add any sealant on the front where I painted the pinkish red color, the metallic color, because it's already shiny, so it looks good that way, so I'll keep it that way. I went ahead and added one coat of white to the rubber soles, and this is our last step, and that's to add the white trimming to the shoelace holes. After this, I'll be adding my shoestrings for the final step. Here's the finished project, the Shark Design shoes for toddlers, and I think they came out really cute. What do you guys think? Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next craft house project. Bye, guys.
I was sick and tired yesterday, and I'm sick and tired today. I would be sick and tired tomorrow if it wasn't for my birthday.